Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sangeeta Chaudhary again, and in my today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to use the COVID a self-test kit at home. So this is the COVID the self-test kit for the rapid antigen detection of COVID-19, and you can use this at home by yourself. This is discovered by MyLab Discovery Solutions. So I'm going to demonstrate how do you use this test kit. So first of all, you need to download the MyLab COVID app from the Google Play Store, and then you will find an option saying new test. Once you click on the new test, it will ask for self-test, and when you click on self-test, it will ask for certain credentials which you need to enter. And after entering the credentials, the app itself will generate a time limit of 15 minutes, after which there will be an alarm, and then you need to take a picture of the test card using the MyLab COVID app. And once you enter the image of the test card in the app, then there will be immediate generation of the report and it will be delivered to your mobile phone. So such easy it is. But first of all, you need to sit in a quiet place, and the place should be clean. And then you need to wash your hands thoroughly before doing the procedure. And once your hands are dry, then start doing the procedure. Now let's see what the kit contains, what are the contents of the kit, and how we need to do the test. So this is the app I was talking about. First you register in the app, and then you will have to fill in your credentials. After you fill in the credentials, the app will guide you through the procedure. So now this is the self-test kit I'm holding. Now I will tear open the test kit and I will take out the contents one by one. I'll explain you about the contents and then I will demonstrate the procedure. It is not a difficult one. You can easily do it sitting at your home. Please follow the procedure now. So there will be an instruction manual inside which you can go through. First I have taken out the sterile swab. It has a plastic side and a paper side. It has two ends. This is the swab end and this is the tail end. While taking out the swab stick, we need to be very careful that we should not touch the swab end. We will take it out by holding the tail end. This is the pre-filled extraction tube. I'm going to tear open the pack and take it out. The pre-filled extraction tube has some liquid inside, and it is capped with a orange color cap. It also has a nozzle. Now I'll take out the test card. Test card comes in a separate packet inside this test kit. So I will tear open the pack of the test card and I will show you how it looks. The test card will have two demarcation, T and C. The round area is where you put the sample. You need to put 2 drops of sample. And if the bar appears only along the C line, that means the test result is negative. This is the instruction manual I was talking about. You can go through the manual also. Now let's proceed with the procedure. So first of all, you need to gently tap the pre-filled extraction tube over your hand or over any flat surface so that the liquid gets settled at the bottom. Now you remove the orange cap. Keeping the tube in the hand, you will have to take out the swab. Take it out from the paper side and very careful about holding it. You hold it from the tail end and take out the swab stick. Now you will have to enter the swab stick in both nostrils one by one, and you need to enter until you feel the resistance, or else up to 2 to 4 centimeter of the swab sticks has been entered into the nostril. In each nostril, you will have to roll the swab stick for at least 5 times. This will ensure that adequate sample has been collected from the nostrils. So after you remove the swab stick from the nostril, you need to dip it into the pre-filled extraction tube. Now after dipping it in the tube, you need to swirl it, okay, until the swab gets dissolved into the liquid. Okay, it will take little time, so keep swirling until the swab is dissolved into the liquid of the pre-filled extraction tube. Now once the swab is dissolved, you will have to find out a break point in the swab stick, and along the break point you try to break the swab stick. I will show you. Find out the break point, and like this you need to break the swab stick. Once you have broken the swab stick, you cap the pre-fill extraction tube with the nozzle. Okay, and now you are going to put 2 drops of the liquid into the test card. So take the test card, and in the circular area you will have to give 2 drops. Okay, and after giving 2 drops, in the mobile app you enter the proceed button. Once you enter the proceed button, then the app itself will generate an alarm after 15 minutes. And after finishing the procedure, you'll have to put all the materials into the disposable bag or biohazard bag, which will be given along with the test kit. Okay, so after 15 minutes, the app will generate an alarm, and the app will ask you to give an image of the test card. So once the app asks you to give an image of the test card, take your mobile phone and click the image of the test card. And as soon as you enter the image of the test card, the app will read the test card and it will generate the report, which will immediately be delivered to your mobile phone. So the report will look like this. So thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful. Thank you.